I'm ready. You ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Mine look way cooler than
No
hers.
way, shut up.
One thing that we can't leave the house without. Everything only is in your hand.
They're speakers. I got them in can. I gifted you one too.
Yeah,
Where is
in
it?
white.
Where is it?
In my house.
Useless friend. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the DNM frequency. And today we're doing something very fun. You know how, as women, we carry a lot of things in our bag. So today we're doing What's in Our Bag, Doctor and Actor edition.
Also, high maintenance and low maintenance edition.
So let's get right into it. So, you know how the stuff that we carry in our bag actually says a lot about our personalities?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all you're gonna say?
Yeah.
I feel like at the same time, both of us should bring out one item from our bags, which could be important, not important. Okay. But surprise me. Okay. I'm gonna count 2, 3, and we'll both pull out something from our bag.
Okay. In any sequence.
Yeah, in any sequence. 3, 2, 1. What is that?
it's a fork and a spoon. Because in my hospital, we don't always have like cutlery. They just give us food. And how are we supposed to eat it? So always carry a spoon.
You don't
and a
have
fork.
cutlery in the canteen?
Yeah, sometimes they just don't give it to us. Or sometimes when you order from like Swiggy and we choose the no cutlery option,
Oh,
I don't get cutlery.
wow.
So I just carry it.
How
Always.
environmental friendly you are. I just have an umbrella because
It
you
rains.
never know when it rains. This is like my portable umbrella. I just need it, dude. So, okay, next item,
That's important.
an umbrella.
What was important in your bag?
Very important in my
Yeah,
bag.
like most important thing in your bag.
Oh my god, the size is different, but it's
Yeah.
pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, this has all my PDFs of all my books, my articles, whatever I'm writing right now. So
You're writing
I
a
just
book?
like no articles. Like we write articles
As doctors,
for
you write
journals.
articles.
Yeah, like we if there's something interesting that we do,
Okay.
we just write an article and we send it to a journal and then they publish it. So we get like brownie points.
How often do you write articles?
Not very, but we're supposed to keep writing. That keeps us up in the game.
Oh, wow.
So like I try.
Okay, my phone, obviously, because I can't live without it. Half my life is on this. So, yeah,
Of course.
my phone. What is a very doctor thing in your bag?
My steth. Always have my stethoscope on me. I know some people are gonna say, so wannabe to carry your steth, but as an anesthetist, this is the most important thing because when we put patients on ventilators, how do we know they're getting ventilated?
Wow,
So I have to have this on me at all times.
that's a cool color. How many
This
sets?
this steth is what you gave me for my birthday.
Oh yeah,
Do you remember
the blue
this?
one? Correct.
'Cause I had an obsession for these Littmann steths.
Yeah.
And you got me this, and
Oh my
I
God.
have a red one, and now I have the blue one, and I love this one because it goes with my scrubs. It's matching because we always wear blue scrubs.
Is it like a flex
So-
to have different?
It's not a flex. I mean, it's cool to have a steth.
Interesting. Okay, one thing that both of us would have in our bags.
One thing that both of us will have.
Oh my god, please pull out what I'm thinking.
I'm ready. You ready?
3, 2,
Two,
1,
one.
go.
Do you not have a pad in your bag?
Of course I do, but this is, I thought, like the thing we're really proud
I
of
mean-
owning.
I mean, true.
Right?
Edit. Let's take
No,
that.
keep it.
Let's take out the pad.
But of course, I'm very fascinated with this new tech that we have.
I love it.
Yeah.
I've
Both of
dreamt
us are
it.
like big fans
We're
of
obsessed.
this. But
And,
I got it at Cannes.
Are you gonna wear it?
Meghna got it from where? London?
I got it from US, I think. I don't know. Someone very close to me bought me this as a gift, and I'm very grateful because I love it. I use it every single day.
Yeah, me too. And mine are transition, which are cooler than Meghna's because like it's nice and
Mine
clear.
look way cooler than
No
hers.
way, shut
Way
up.
cooler.
Of course
Way, way
not.
cooler.
Mine are like transition, so it's like clear when I'm indoors and then it becomes like a blue tint when I'm
Okay, Miss
outdoor.
Briganza. What is something that you have that's edible?
3, 2, 1, go.
What's that?
So water bottle. I don't carry snacks.
Nerds. I love nerds. Disha knows I'm
Yeah.
a sugar junkie.
And she's a heavy snacko.
Have you
I-
guys seen this?
There's more, of course.
Fusion gum. You
No.
remember as kids? Fusion gum, this
Oh.
chewy gum,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
nice
yeah.
flavor.
I think I remember the ones that used to come in these packs, like
The small
little.
squares.
Yeah,
Yeah,
is
it's
that that?
Yeah.
How is the packaging
with the
changed so
tattoo?
much?
You
Yeah,
get a
yeah,
tattoo?
yeah.
It's that.
Oh,
I
wow.
have that, and also edible. I have more mint. Yeah, you'll find quite a lot of food in my bag.
If you're ever hungry, go for Meghna's bag. But actually, we've nicknamed Avira Snacko
Yeah.
because she's gone so much after her godmother over here. Avira needs a snack every 3 minutes of the day, just so everyone knows.
And she
Okay.
can always bank on me because I'll keep feeding her.
Okay, what next? Something that you apply on yourself. You have a
Oh.
whole pouch.
Yeah.
I of course have a lot. I have a lot, but I just don't have a pouch. I have a
Clearly, you all
section.
can see who's the more organized person.
Screw you. Shut up. It's just that my bag in itself is very organized.
Oh, like
I don't need like separate pouches to carry everything.
I have to show this, which Disha got for me from France. It's a cat-shaped brush,
Yeah, it's very
and
cute.
it's very cute. You open
I don't
it.
know a lot of people that carry brushes in their bags. Actually,
This is so cool, right?
yeah. You've been someone that carries a brush like
Yeah.
throughout your life.
Because you never know when you need one.
Yeah. This was a gift.
And also because as doctors, we wear a surgical cap. When we
Oh.
take it off, it's all like gaji under it.
Oh.
So I need a brush. Very important.
Functional. Yeah,
Functional.
makes sense. I just have this. It's a lotion and a perfume,
A mist.
a mist. Yeah,
Yeah, that's about
yeah.
it.
That's about it. That's all I carry because I like to smell fresh through the day. And I do.
Yeah, you do. Oh my God, you smell amazing. I don't know what that is, but it lasts for forever.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, at least.
I take an extra effort to smell good through the day. By the way, I have to tell you, I don't just have one. I have two. I have three.
Oh my God.
These are my regular Kannadkas because I have power and I'm practically blind without my lenses. So this is my regular Kannadka. These are for when I don't need technology on my eyes. Like I feel like these are too heavy and I just want like to block out the sun and I don't want it to be too heavy. I take these, if not this. I actually carry all three every single day of my life.
That's awesome. Can I show you something I have that you will not have?
Oh yeah. Oh, let's do that. Something that
I have that you have that I don't have, and I have that you don't have.
yeah.
I have so many like that though. Just wait.
I'm sure you'll have a lot.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
1. You have socks.
Yeah. Because the OT is so cold. And I'm constantly freezing because it's 16. In some orthopedic surgery, it's like 14 degrees, and I'm like freezing inside. So I wear my socks silently and I sit in a corner like this to not freeze to death. So I
Wow.
always have socks in my bag.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
What is that?
It's just a room freshener and be safe because when we're shooting,
I
the
definitely-
restrooms tend to get extremely smelly and very unsanitary. So just for safety, I obviously have a pee safe and I have a room freshener for when it's smelling really
I
bad.
think I need that.
The pee.
I work in a hospital. I think I really need pee safe.
Okay.
One thing that we can't leave the house without.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Everything only is in your hand.
No, I have segments in the bag, so I don't really.
You
need-
can't leave the house without your lipstick.
No, I can't. That's the one thing that I always carry on me. Lipstick.
Won't you get it on your set anyways if you forget your someone else's lipstick?
Why would you use someone else's lipstick?
I
That
don't
is
know.
just not
Teju
so
will have a
clean.
lipstick for you.
Yeah, but it's just like it's nice to have your own lipsticks. By the way, I have plenty. I have
Also-
like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It depends
Show
on
them-
the
show
mood
them-
that I'm feeling.
Show them that cool lipstick that I
the
like.
Galan.
I don't know.
So it's cool because you open it like this and a mirror opens up
So
for
cute.
you to apply.
It's very
Mm.
cute. Also that one. Show them that my blush.
Oh yeah,
My blush.
Meghna's
I'm like-
blush.
I feel like my
Okay.
eyes are on her stuff more than my own stuff. Also, large part of these things have been stolen from there. Just FYI.
Yes, for sure. So this is the Be Wild blush, which
D, while like it's a brand
yeah,
which no
we
one's heard
both
of.
found this in Bangkok.
Bangkok.
Yeah. The funny thing about this is it changes color when it's applied on your skin. So over here it might look like it's transparent, but I'm going to quickly show you with just my finger. Yeah,
No. Now you do like this.
Yeah, if you can see the color on both these fingers, it's like super pink, right? So
See,
that's
it's
what happens when you apply
beautiful.
it on
It's a
your face.
beautiful blush and it's very long lasting. So if you go to Bangkok, DM us, we'll tell you where to find it.
Yeah, we know where to find
Of
it. It
course, we
was a
don't
very
know.
cool product that we bought. So it's very nice because I do have a lot of no makeup days without concealer and foundation and all of that. But I like a little bit of a blush, and this is also great as a lip tint, so it works both ways. As an actor, I have like 6 lipsticks, a blush, and my wallet
Oh, one
card
more thing I
holder.
can't leave the house without because I'm an iPhone user.
Me too. I think I left it at home. So
Oh
it's
my
definitely not something
God.
I can't leave home without. I've left it today. So it's fine. I can survive without a charger,
Mine
I
just
think.
doesn't survive.
What's like one more, like we showed our meta shades and our phones.
Hmm.
You didn't show your phone, did you?
Oh, it's just my phone
Yeah, I was
stolen.
thinking
Disha's
like
stolen
some
phone
more
case.
technology in our bags would be my iPad.
Oh yeah,
I
I
just
don't
have a
have any
fancy
more.
case. I got it when I was in Cannes, and my pencil.
Okay.
That's all.
On the lines of that, I have my journals.
Oh, wait. If I come into stationery, I also have.
Oh, we're not yet there. Okay, wait.
Wait. It's good to jump into stationery right away.
That book.
Yeah. There are 2 books that I carry. One is this journal. Not a journal, it's like a is it a journal?
It's just a planner.
Planner. Correct.
It's a
That's the right
planner.
word. Yeah. So this is the planner by Alicia Souza. And she has some really cute stuff every year. So I
Yeah.
kind of jot down everything in this. This is something that Meghna gave me for my birthday. It's just because I'm obsessed with Starbucks. More than their coffee, I think I'm just obsessed with their merch.
Yeah.
So this is a book where I write down the expense of our podcast. It's a lot, just so you know. Manu, help me out here. But these are 2 books. Do you read?
I don't read. I carry these books because I don't always jot down things and I have like a lot of fleeting thoughts. So I'm like, okay, today I should remember to do this. Quickly put it here because I never open that notes app on my phone for some reason. I
Oh
just
wow, that's
yeah,
like the
so
number one go-to app for me. Notes,
I
more than
can't. I
anything.
can't like go there and check. So I just write them down,
I
like
have
things
like
I have
some
to do.
250 notes, I think.
And seriously?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my God.
I
I know why you're paying so much for your memory. iCloud memory.
Yeah. Suddenly I was like, why am I paying for my memory? Who am I paying for my memory? Correct. But I read. I actually read. So this is a book about Puri Jagannath because obviously I'm pretty religious and
Yeah.
it's a newfound love that I have for Puri, and this is by Devdutt Patnaik. So
Bunch of stationery that we need. Mine are just scattered in the bag because we have to
talk
constantly
about
pull them out,
organized
pull them
now.
out, pull them
Even
out.
I have, okay? Even I have stationery, which is like
Mine are not as cool as yours. I knew it. I knew you'll whip out that cute teddy pen.
yeah, I have cool stationery, and I have actually this little thing. This also Meghna gifted me. I have this little thing because I write on post-its a lot, and I kind of like always. Yeah, if you see my books, you will be quite surprised at how I'm very cute at
A
journaling
note
my day.
with a note on the note. There's another note. That's how her notes are.
You're so mean, dude. You're just so mean. Okay, we did books. Okay, I'm not a Labubu fan. Do you ever hang charms on your bag?
Never, because I lose them. They break and fall off the next day.
Jeez, okay. I'm not a Labubu fan, but I am a fan of speakers. I can't live my day without a speaker. I feel like I always listen to music. If I'm in the car, great. If I'm not in the car when I'm shooting and doing my makeup, of course. For all the people who think these are Labubus, they're not. They're speakers. I got them in Cannes. They're
Yeah.
so cute. I gifted you one too.
Yeah,
Where is
in
it?
white.
Where is it?
In my house.
Useless friend. But anyway, I have speakers. As a doctor, don't you have a sanitizer?
No, but I have something cooler. But do you know that reel where they're like, my wife is going to show you something, you better be interested.
Okay, let's cut to that now. My best friend is going to show you something. You better be proud of what she has and you better be interested.
So this is my medicine pouch. I think everyone should carry this. It has in it a pulse oximeter. So how this works is you put it on your finger and it tells you how much your oxygen levels are. Very important. I think all of us should carry one. You never know. Suddenly, if you're feeling breathless, just whip it out. Check your heart rate. Check your oxygen sats.
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm going to beat you up if you say no to that.
Always carry a toothbrush. It's like a travel toothbrush.
Nice.
Okay. I'm very proud of this pouch, by the way. It's very carefully curated.
Wow, that's actually a cute toothbrush. That might be one thing I will steal from you.
Yeah, this travel toothbrush, you
Yeah,
can
it's
have
actually
it.
so cute.
So if you want to like ever brush your teeth, yeah, you stick it like that and then you brush your teeth. Yeah,
Wow.
twice a day. And then I carry this thing, which is God formula. Let me show it like an influencer. This is something called Shastri Balm. You don't get it in
Wow.
Bangalore. It's
Where is it
fully
from?
written in Telugu.
Oh,
And there's a
it's from
picture of
Hyderabad,
a small child on it, which is inappropriate for the Shastri Balm. But
which
yeah, right?
could be why Shastri Balm was invented.
For
The
kids?
baby. No. Because of the baby. Like,
The kid gave him a headache, so he needed a balm.
maybe.
Likely. Most likely proposition.
Could
So
be.
Shastri Balm is my favorite. Works like magic.
What is it for?
Headaches?
Oh, so
Like
you just
Jandu
use-
Balm.
Oh, you apply it, not
so you
sniff
apply.
it.
You can sniff it
There's
also.
that Thailand thing, no? That you sniff.
See? Sniff it. Shastri Balm is
Oh,
bomb.
whoa. This is like
Yeah,
very
yeah.
strong.
Yeah, like when anyone goes to Hyderabad, they're like, Meghna, what do you want from Hyderabad? I'm like, Shastri Balm, please. 3 of them.
Wow.
I love Shastri Balm. I can't live without this.
Isn't that similar to that Thailand thing where they
Yeah,
have like
yeah.
a bunch of
Tiger Balm?
It's not Tiger Balm. It's like
There's
that whatever. They have that little box in which it's
Yeah,
like
yeah, I
a
know.
bunch
And
of things
people-
put in.
Yeah.
Is it camphor? Something
I don't
like
know.
camphor.
People
I think.
flock to Thailand to buy
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I don't know what it is. We've never tried it. Though
Yeah,
we've
maybe
gone.
we should sniff it once.
Yeah, we'll sniff it next time. Then, like, some basic medication that all of you should carry.
Better be proud of that.
Vitamin C, mandatory.
Mm.
Always carry Dolo 650 with you because you never know when you get a headache. Might be around kids a lot. You might need this. Then we always have some cetirizine, which is for cold and allergies. By the way, all these are available over the counter. You don't need prescription. This is something called Redutil. I love this medication. And Disha, Redutil.
Yeah,
So
I know.
this is a anti-diarrhea medicine. And we were on a trip in Bangkok and we landed and Disha's like, my tummy is gone. And one shot of this, one capsule. And
I
she
was fine in 2 hours, by the way.
was
I was absolutely fine in 2 hours. We were in like a dense shopping market and I had to use the restroom every 3 minutes. It was so bad, but that's a big tip. Whenever you're traveling, just take a doctor with you.
Take a doctor with you, not medicines.
Yeah, don't take medicine, just take a doctor because they'll have everything in their bag that can just like survive, you know.
And then I have a few of these electrolyte powders
Oh.
just in case because
Okay.
I don't like water. I mean,
Yeah, it's
Oh.
actually quite a weird thing, but being a doctor, she is so dehydrated most of the time, and she's somebody that does not really drink a lot of
Yeah.
water, which is kind
so
of
like
sad.
I like to carry these because it change the taste of the water, makes it more palatable for me.
Mhm.
And most important, a surgical blade.
You never know when
you
you'll
need
have
a
to
blade.
cut someone. Seriously?
No, but like you, I'm not organized. I don't carry like a small kit with a scissor and all. So I just use this to cut stuff. Like I need to cut something like a thread or like something.
tag or-
Yeah. I just use the surgical blade.
Oh.
So when we put these lines in patients' necks and stuff, this comes in the set and we don't use it on the patient. So we just keep them aside. Use
Oh.
them. So that's my medicine pouch. I hope you all learned something from this.
Wow. But is there stuff like instead of cetirizine, can I carry Allegra?
Yeah, of course. Of course. These are just customized for me.
Yeah.
But like over the counter, I think everyone should just carry a bunch of medicines. You can keep it.
Have you
brush.
not used it?
No,
Oh wow.
it's
you just
a
have
new
a fresh
brush.
brush?
Yeah. My work brush is in my work bag. That's another bag.
Wow. Thanks, Meghna. I'm stealing from you like on camera. But anyway, thanks for that. I love it. I don't have like a medicine pouch, but I do have these.
Oh.
Which
Yeah.
are very helpful because as actors, you work with other people in
People.
close people.
So many people she
You
work
work
with.
with so many people in close proximity, and after lunch and all, like we would have eaten some garlic rasam and chicken and all this, and your mouth smells. So I
you
have
go
these.
close to them like, hi.
No, it's just the scene. Gaudre, ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ.
Huh.
And he's like,
It's like,
here.
horag hog bedi horag.
And
And he'll
he's
just be
right
like,
here, dude. Like, I have to like hold my breath and say the line, so I might as well just do this.
and I think I'm done. Do you have
Are
more
we?
stuff in your bag?
Are
I
we?
have
I have like basic stuff like
I have
rubber
like a makeup
band.
pouch, which I don't even want to get into. It's just
Oh
a
my
bunch
God,
of
as a doctor, you have a makeup pouch. Not
Yeah,
bad. I
just
thought
some
the medicine
basic-
pouch is where we end.
No, but like imagine I do night shift, no? When I wake up in the morning, I look like a different person.
So you gotta
So I
look
go like,
presentable for whom? Your
quickly.
patients.
Yeah, because you gotta go and talk to them and quickly I'm like, just conceal the dark circles. They shouldn't think I've not slept in 4 days. Hi, tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think we're kind of done with
I'm
everything.
like, that's about it.
Aren't we?
Yeah.
Did our bags say a lot about our personalities?
No, I think it just reflected what you and me actually are.
But I also think a majority of people would have these in their bags.
Yeah, there's
Right?
nothing that we have that is something that others won't have. But yeah.
When I'm at shoot, I have like a separate lunch bag
Yeah,
where I
me
have
too.
like 500 things. From my own
I've seen
plate
it.
to spoon to water bottles to coffee mugs and coffee machine itself that I carry everywhere because I can't do the regular coffee and I have to do
Yeah.
black.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think we have multiple other bags too, but for today, this was sufficient. This was
And I
a
hope
lot.
you guys enjoyed watching our episode of What's in Our Bag. And stay tuned for more content from us and follow the DNM Frequency on YouTube and Instagram.
Wow, I didn't even train her and she's already social media ready. So, yeah, subscribe, like, follow, share, do all of that if you like the content. And we'll be back with another episode really soon. I hope you had fun. See you soon.